Have you ever looked in the mirror and not recognized the person staring back at you? Like, somewhere along the way, life broke something inside you? Maybe you're holding on, but just barely. Breathing, but it hurts. Smiling, but your soul is crying out. Have you ever prayed, and it felt like your words didn't go past the ceiling? If you have, you're not alone. I'm here with you. And tonight, we talk to God together. Because maybe, just maybe, this is the night He speaks into the silence and heals the parts of you that you thought were too broken. We don't always say it out loud, but deep down, many of us are exhausted. Tired of pretending to be okay. Tired of fighting battles we can't even explain. Tired of holding families together. Tired of being strong for everyone else while no one notices we're falling apart. There are people listening right now who have cried themselves to sleep for weeks, maybe months. And still, they woke up. Still, they got up. Still, they faced the day. But they carry a storm inside. A storm of fear, guilt, loneliness, confusion. Some are drowning in debt, others in grief, some in silence. And they've whispered to heaven, God, do you still hear me? To you, I say this. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Psalm 34 verse 18. This is not your ending. Father, tonight, I have no strength left to pretend. I'm not okay. I'm tired of fighting, tired of crying when no one sees, tired of walking through this fire barefoot. Heal me, Lord. Heal the pain I can't explain. The ache that medicine can't touch. The fear that keeps me up at night. Hold me. Hide me. Help me breathe again. Some of us have been strong for too long. We smile in public and break in private. But you see both. And you care. God, be the light in this long night. Be the whisper in this silence. Be the comfort in this storm. I bring you my anxiety, my mistakes, my doubts, my broken heart. I bring you my child who's far from you, my finances that feel like chains, my marriage that's drifting. I bring you my fear of tomorrow, my regrets from yesterday, and my exhaustion today. I bring you, me. I don't need the answers tonight. I just need your presence. Wrap your arms around every listener now, Lord. For the one who lost a parent, hold them. For the one who lost a job, provide for them. For the one who lost hope, be the reason they believe again. Whisper to their soul, even now, I'm still here. And I pray. Let peace cover them like a warm blanket. Let angels surround their home. Let rest come over their minds and hearts like gentle rain. Tonight, we surrender. Not in defeat, but in faith. We let go so you can take over. We rest, not because the storm is over, but because we know you're in the boat with us. God heard your cry. Even if you didn't say a word, He heard the silence. You are not forgotten. You are not forsaken. Tonight, let His peace be your pillow. Let His promises be your lullaby. May you sleep in divine comfort. and wake up with new strength. You are loved. You are seen. You are not alone. If this prayer brought light to your night, help us shine it into someone else's darkness. By clicking like, you might help a soul find hope. By commenting, you remind someone they're not alone. And by sharing, you become part of a miracle. Let's be a family of faith. A circle of healing. A light that refuses to go out. Amen.